Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Yes, CVT transmissions can be repaired, but the most effective way to avoid having to repair them is to make sure that you replace the fluid at Nissan's, or your own manufacturer's, recommended intervals and avoid putting unapproved load or stress on your CVT vehicle, towing or trailering.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Why should I have CVT transmission fluid flush done? If you notice that you are having issues with your transmission, or if it has been a while since you have had your transmission fluid flushed, you should get your Nissan CVT transmission flush done as soon as you can.
Take our lead.
Continuously variable transmissions, or CVTs, are another animal altogether. They are unlike any other type of transmission. Change the fluid according to the manufacturer's recommended interval, which should fall somewhere around the 100,000 kilometers range.
Let's help you make your mark.
5 tips to extend the life of your transmission. Check the transmission fluid on a regular basis. Consider synthetic transmission fluid. Have your transmission serviced every 30,000 miles. Add an external filter to the cooler lines. Maintain the cooling system.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.